Flatbike Change Bike 611 is not our first folding bike with 26-inch wheels, but it stands out of the crowd with some special features. We've tested the bike for over 2 months and here is the full review. The Change Bike 611 is a hybrid bike which combines a road bike and a mountain bike. It utilizes advantages of each type to help us ride on all terrains and surfaces comfortably. The bike provides a relaxed riding position as we can sit with a fairly straight back. The more upright riding position reduces strains on our neck and shoulders. In terms of design, the DF611MB looks a little different as compared to hybrid bikes on the market, as it has a nice curve on the down tube. And more importantly, the bike is foldable. After removing the front wheel with a quick release skewer, you can open some latches and fold the bike in half. The folded size is still cumbersome and it is almost impossible to carry it on public transportation. Despite being a full-size bike, the Change Bike is quite lightweight at just over 26 pounds. This is the result of using light materials like aluminum frame or carbon fork. Moreover, the whole bike can fit easily inside a sedan's trunk, so you can still travel with it. In terms of performance, the Change Bike 611 has little competition in the world of folding bikes. With a wide gear range and high-quality derailleurs that helps me climb hills with less pedaling efforts and ride faster. As compared to other full-size folding bikes, the Change Bike's speed is significantly higher. It finds the right balance between road and mountain bikes. It can deal with uneven off-road terrain and still delivers speedy rides on tarmac. It can even handle curb jumps, speed bumps, or potholes. Besides, this is more like a road-orientated hybrid bike, so there is no suspension and the tires are not really fat ones. As a result, you can climb hills effortlessly, ride faster, and keep up with traffic with ease. Now, let's check out all pros and cons. Pros: fit-in car trunk. Great riding experience on all terrains. Lightweight. Cons: expensive. Bulky in folded position. Folding-unfolding process is slow. Overall, the Flatbike Change Bike 611 is a versatile and easy riding bike that you can use anywhere. It is a little inconvenient during the folding and unfolding process, but after all, we have a much higher performing bicycle. We at BikeFolded totally recommend the bike.